Welcome! You've scheduled an EMG and nerve conduction study with our office. Hands-On EMG is an accredited laboratory by the Academy of Clinical Electrophysiology. This test helps evaluate your muscles and nerves, giving your healthcare provider the best information that guides your care. Your test has two parts. First, small sticky electrodes are placed on your skin to measure nerve activity. Next, a fine pin electrode is used to check how your muscles and nerves work together. To prepare, arrive a few minutes early for paperwork. Wear comfortable clothing. Do not apply lotions, creams, or oils to your arms, hands, legs, or feet. If washing your hair, skip the conditioner. This is because these products can interfere with the test. Continue your regular medications as prescribed. This test is very important for your medical care. Recent research shows that EMG and nerve conduction studies can improve patient management care by more than 60%. If you need to cancel or reschedule, please give us 24 hours notice. We look forward to helping you with your care. For questions, call 855-364-8378 or visit www.handsonemg.com.